So here I am in Pune's wholesale market in market yard area. Here you can see till date we could see or experience or in our kitchen what we saw is white colored cauliflower. But for the first time what we are experiencing here are colorful cauliflowers that have been brought over here by some of the merchants. So let's talk to them. What is the reason and what is the specialty of this cauliflower? Yeah, your name and how would you explain?
I'm Rohan Ursel. Actually, 2 days back, Mr. Mahendra Nikam from Nashik, he had approached us, the farmer who has taken this production. He had almost 15 tons of the colored cauliflower, which you can see, the violet color and the yellow color. Actually, the marketing channel was the main issue for him because he took the production, he did the innovation, but he couldn't see any market happening here. People did praise him for his products, but there was no one to buy it. So that is the reason we took up this project under Coldman Fresh, wherein we usually promote all the farmers and their products who innovate in their field, because if innovations don't happen in this field, then farmers in future they would also think twice before doing any new techniques in the farming. So that is the reason we took up this project.
If I would ask you what is the specialty or what is the uniqueness, what are the nutrient contents of this cauliflower?
Okay, so as per reports what we have, and also it has been printed in the media, the purple cauliflower which you can see here, it has a good anti-cancer and antivirus properties which have been already printed, and the yellow cauliflower which you can see, it has a good content of vitamin A and vitamin E. So as you can see, other than the traditional white cauliflower, these cauliflowers are already established as a good as good products which have good medicinal properties also, and I think these should be promoted in order to get greater innovations further in the agriculture sector.
And how is the response? Who all have purchased this cauliflower? Means normal public for their household or vendors?
So yesterday we also had set up a kiosk for employees of Serum Institute of India. So even there the people did approach us with, I mean out of curiosity, that what is the actual properties of these cauliflowers, and people did appreciate about the products. So and the remaining the products we got it today here in APMC, so that all the retailers across Pune and Pune district can take these items. Total quantity which we received was almost 200 kgs, the first lot which we received, and almost except for the one box, all other cauliflower has been already sold out.
What is the response? What do the public have to say? Let's talk to few of the vendors, retailers. Yeah, your name.
My name is Kuldeep Khatri, and I am buy products from these people. And when I saw this flower from the far away, it was very colorful, and from the far it was seeing very attractive, and we saw it was some colorful flowers here. And when I came nearby, it was very natural, and it was very
It is attractive.
it is very attractive.
What about the prices?
The prices which we bought is for 60 rupees per kg, and yeah, it's
And comparing it with the normal cauliflower, how would you describe the pricing of this?
so comparing to the normal flower is very different, and as per
आप क्या कहेंगे मैडम, बताइए कि कीमत में कितना महंगा होगा लोगों को अगर ये रंगीन गोभी खानी है, इफ दे वांट टू हैव दिस कलरफुल cauliflower, how much would they have to spend more?
थोड़ा तो फर्क पड़ेगा, क्योंकि नॉर्मल जो है वो 25 रुपए से 30 रुपए में मिल रहा है और ये 60 रुपए केजी है, तो थोड़ा सा 50% 40% तो फर्क पड़ेगा ही। लेकिन अगर टेस्ट में आप खा के देखो तो भी पता चलेगा, तो दोनों में डिफरेंट तो पता चलेगा ही।
अभी तक तो आपने भी टेस्ट नहीं किया?
नहीं, अभी वो टेस्ट करेंगे अब हम जाके।
What would you like to say about the pricing?
Okay, so as you can, they have already mentioned that the cauliflower, the white cauliflower, the normal cauliflower is being sold at 25 to 30 rupees, and this is being today sold at 60 rupees. But I think this price difference, the double price, is totally justifiable, because this innovation which this farmer has done, the pain which he has taken to grow this new varieties, I think they should be compensated by the public. And I would again like to tell to everyone that these are not artificially colored; these are natural color cauliflowers which people should buy in future, and that will help for farmers across the country to innovate in the sector.
Here you can see colorful cauliflowers which were first experimented in Switzerland. Here you can see one of the farmer from Nashik. He has now grown around 20,000 kilos of such colorful cauliflowers. He is now in search of market, search of people who would approach him and buy these flowers so that he can make some profit. With Cameron Gopal Harnage is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.